In today's video, I will show you how to make $322 easily. In this method you don't need any skill, any experience, you don't need any website. You don't need to invest any money. Anyone from anywhere can do this. But, disclaimer. This will not work for you if you're too lazy to follow and watch the entire video. So if you really want to make money online, you must follow each and every step shown in this video. Most people do the same mistake and they can't make any money. First of all, go to this website. Here you can see sell your products hassle-free. Easy to use e-commerce for creators. Sell merchandise or digital products all from one place. This website is called Sellfy.com. This is the platform where creators or other entrepreneurs can sell their product hassle-free. It's easy to use e-commerce for creators. They can sell merchandise or any type of digital products all from one single place. But don't worry. You don't need to sell merchandise or product. You can start making money in 3 steps. And it works in your country because it's available worldwide. Step number 1. Sign up and receive an affiliate link to promote Sellfy to your audience. Step number 2. Use social media, blog posts, email, or any other channel to encourage creators to try out Sellfy's powerful e-commerce platform. Step number 3. For every new user who signs up for a paid Sellfy plan within 90 days, using your affiliate link, you'll get a 25% commission for up to 12 months. Simply click on this Start Earning Money button right here. Then you will land on this page. Simply fill up this form with proper information. Then you can access your dashboard and you will get an affiliate link. Simply copy your link and now let me show you how you will be promoting it. Today's strategy will be super simple to implement. So, we will begin as soon as you drop a like to this video and leave a thumbs up down. Now simply go to smallbusinessforum.net. This is a forum about small businesses. So here you can get more potential traffic. Simply paste your affiliate link and start making money. So let's calculate how much money you can earn. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Smash the like button and also comment down below what country you are in right now. In that way, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you and you can make lots of money. So comment your country name down below. Now let's get started. If you get 25% of this amount of money per conversion, and if you get only 10 conversions per month, you will get $322 completely passive. That's it for today's video. But wait, if you think this method is complicated for you, then watch this easy method video